Hi, the question says if the moon attracts the earth, why does the earth not move towards the moon? Now we know that the gravitational force of attraction between two objects having any mass m or m2 is given by the directly proportional to the product of the masses and not the mass of an individual object. So therefore, if the earth and moon are the two objects which are in concern over here, the gravitational force of attraction between the earth and the moon will be same for each other. That is, the force exerted by earth on moon will be equal to the force exerted by the moon on earth. But since the masses of earth and moon are quite different, the mass of earth is much greater than as compared to the mass of the moon. Therefore, from the Newton's second law, that is force equals to mass into acceleration, your acceleration can be written as force upon mass. Now that means that acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass of the object. As I mentioned earlier, the mass of the earth is much greater than the mass of the moon. So it is evident from the fact that since mass of the moon is quite less, therefore the acceleration of the moon will be quite high as compared to the mass of the earth, which is much greater than the mass of the moon. So the acceleration of the earth will be very less. So therefore we can conclude by saying that the acceleration experienced by the earth due to the gravitational force of the moon is very small, whereas the acceleration experienced by the moon due to the gravitational force of the earth will be quite huge, even though the net forces acting on each other is same. But because of the difference in masses, the accelerations are different, and that's why we can say that your earth will not move towards the moon, but the moon will revolve around the earth in a particular orbit. Thank you.